Okay, so here we are at the Lutheran West. We're here at Lutheran West, and I'm going to load up a program called ESA Pro 2 and open it, which is going to open up something that looks a little like this. I'm on a Mac right now. Yours might look slightly different. This little dialog box popped up after a while. It says name is default, which we're going to go ahead and choose, which I wonder why it says default there. Click active and then hit OK. And that's going to load this thing up. Now we have to come up to the left where we see this standalone mode. And then we're going to click on default here and then choose read. How's my focus? It's not going good. So I'm going to hit read. Do I want to load from memory? Hit yes. Now this thing's all going to load, and we're going to read memory successfully. Now, when I'm up in this top corner here, I right-click on it, and you'll see it's active. That's what we want. If I make any changes to anything in here, I need to hit write, and that will write it up to it. Or I can save a file by going File Save or File Save As to my computer, or load a file even. File open a file and then write it on there if I wanted. Over on the side here, I got the check marks. That's for the global check for the calendar, and that means that this scene right here has some information. In order to see what's on there, you got to choose it first. Then you'll see there's a clock trigger. If I edit it, I can see the clock trigger. It says, hey, every day there's a clock trigger, and it's going to be at sunset, and it's actually offset a little bit. I could edit it if I needed to, but then it will show up down here in this clock. There's dots. Sometimes the dots aren't appearing for us. If I need to do some editing stuff, I go to View up at the top and change it to Editor, and that's where I'm going to get into actually controlling things, which will be in a separate video.